Hi guys, welcome back to Quiz Cage. In today's quiz, we are going to learn birds' names. Let's guess the bird's correct spelling with the help of emojis. Guess the correct spelling of peregrine falcon. Guess the correct spelling of toucan. Guess the correct spelling of hummingbird. Guess the correct spelling of bald eagle. Guess the correct spelling of blue jay. Guess the correct spelling of barn owl. Guess the correct spelling of scarlet macaw. Guess the correct spelling of snowy owl. Guess the correct spelling of ruby-throated hummingbird. Guess the correct spelling of great horned owl. Guess the correct spelling of northern cardinal. Guess the correct spelling of puffin. Guess the correct spelling of American robin. Guess the correct spelling of peacock. Guess the correct spelling of kingfisher. Guess the correct spelling of flamingo. Guess the correct spelling of golden eagle. Guess the correct spelling of osprey. Guess the correct spelling of black-capped chickadee. Guess the correct spelling of green heron. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for today. Comment down how many of correct answers you know. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting quizzes.